Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a rotation for your presentation in Canva. So open Canva and create a presentation design, then change the background. You can choose any color. I will choose this color or just black color. Then go to elements, then select frame, choose circle frame and rotate it like this. Then make it in the middle of the presentation, then duplicate it, then move it to the bottom, select all, make them in one group, then duplicate the group, then adjust the two groups, then rotate the second group. Rotate at 90°, then select all and make them in one group. Then duplicate again and adjust with all group. Rotate again for 45°, like that. Then select all and make all in one group. Now our album is ready. We need now just to fill the pictures. Then go to elements and select some picture. For example, this is the sister. Rotate. All head must be in this direction, like this direction, and there also, and there, here, and there. Then select another one. Now our family pictures is ready. We need just to resize the group. Then move them to the bottom. Then go to animation. Choose rotate effect. Change the direction. Then decrease the speed. Go to elements. Look for fade. Choose graphic. Choose like this. Fit with the page. Add some text like my family. You can also animate with the names, each one with the name as you want. Here you can add some text. Change the color like to this color or this. Now we will see our presentation. Click on play. So you must to add some seconds. So this is the final result for rotating animation album. Thank you for watching this video and see you in next tutorial.